Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY Guy. My project today is going to be restoring all of the exterior black plastic on my E53 X5. Now the good thing is these instructions work on any car, because that's one thing that we all have. We all have exterior plastics. Now, what I've noticed is on my 2001 E53 X5 is that all the black plastic, the door guards and the lower bumper sections are starting to gray out a little bit. They show sun fade, and that only makes sense. It's a 19-year-old car, and I love my E53 X5. It's in fantastic condition mechanically and physically. So being able to restore something like this is going to be just that one visual notch up to make it look that much better. I'm going to take the other rail off and then I'm going to show you masking off the rest and getting the rest ready and prepped. It was a little dark in the garage, so I wanted to make sure you get a good before and after. Now the car's been washed, so it's clean, but you can definitely see where it's fading. Now, and also things like that. You can see where when I've polished and waxed it, I didn't do a good job in cutting that edge. You can see plastic is just kind of turning gray. Really good example here, really, really gray. The harder plastics are a little bit better and still dark, but you can definitely see the fade difference here, especially as you get down through it. Okay, so I've pushed the car out into the driveway and we're going to clean all of the plastic surfaces. Anything that's pretty much black plastic that you can see, front bumper, the door guards, the lower rocker panel, all of these things are what we're going to work over. And so we're going to use the Tuga Plastic Devil plastic cleaner. We're going to spray everything down. B pillars as well, C pillar back there. All right, a quick walkthrough now that the Tuga plastic cleaner is done. You can see, actually, of all things, the plastic is even kind of more gray now, which doesn't surprise me too much, all things considered, right? Got all the residue off, got any protectant that I've put on over the years off. I've got a scuff here that's a little more clear, you know, a little easier to see. The center pieces actually look a little bit better. They've also changed color a little bit, but a little bit of the overspin has come off, which is good. But as you can see, I mean, this is something that I think clearly is doing a really good job. It's just, I'm not sure you'd want to just do this alone. You want to make sure to condition your plastic afterwards, right? Now, in this case, of course, we're going to recondition it thoroughly, just not put on protectant. So if your car was new, you could put the cleaner on and put protectant on and the color would be good. But obviously, we're going to recolor all the plastics. So that's all good.